In this session, you'll learn about the basics of computer. So, let's start with defining a computer. Computer gets its name from the word compute, which means calculation. We have seen what a computer can do for us than just calculate. A computer is an electronic device used to store and process data and information. A computer takes data, processes it as per the instructions provided, and converts it into electronic information for us. A computer is a collection of hardware and software components that help us accomplish many different tasks. Hardware consists of the computer itself and any other equipment connected to it. Software is the set of instructions that the computer follows in performing a task. Today, computers are used in industries, schools, government offices, banks, railways, and shops. By using computers, we save a lot of time, effort, and money.